Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well and taking care of yours and your family. Students, in the previous video, we solved exercise 12.2, question number 2, 3 and 4. Today, we are going to learn about unitary method and solve exercise 12.3. So, let us solve it. Unitary method. Students, in unitary method, we first find the value of one unit and then find the value of the required number of units. When one thing is given and we need to find for more, we multiply. When more is given and we need to find for one, we divide. When more is given and we need to find even more, we first find for one by dividing and then find for more by multiplying. This is called unitary method. Exercise 12.3. Sum number 1. If the cost of 7 meters of cloth is rupees 1470, find the cost of 5 meters of cloth. Students, in this question, we have to find out the cost of 5 meters of cloth and we have been given the cost of 7 meters of cloth, which is rupees 1470. Students, so in order to find the cost of 5 meters of cloth, we will use unitary method. And we know that in unitary method, first we find out the cost of 1 by dividing and then find for more by multiplying. Thus, in order to find out the cost of 5 meters of cloth, first we will find the cost of 1 meter cloth, then find the cost of 5 meter cloth. So now, let us solve sum number 1. Cost of 7 meters of cloth is rupees 1470. So, cost of 1 meter of cloth is equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 1470 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Now multiplying 1470 by 1 and keeping denominator 7 as it is, we get 1470 by 7. Now dividing 1470 by 7, we get 210. Thus, cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 210. Now let us find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Cost of 1 meter of cloth is equals to rupees 210. So cost of 5 meter of cloth equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 210 multiplied by 5 upon 1. Now multiplying 210 by 5 and keeping denominator 1 as it is, we get 1050 by 1. Now dividing 1050 by 1, we get 1050. Thus, cost of 5 meter cloth is rupees 1050. Now, sum number 2. Ekta earns rupees 3000 in 10 days. How much will she earn in 30 days? Students, in this question, we have to find out the amount Ekta will earn in 30 days. Students, first we will find the amount earned by Ekta in 1 day. Then we will find out the amount earned by Ekta in 30 days. So, now let us solve this sum. Money earned by Ekta in 10 days equals to rupees 3000. So, money earned by Ekta in 1 day equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 3000 multiplied by 1 upon 10. Now, multiplying 3000 by 1 and keeping denominator 10 as it is, we get 3000 upon 10. Now, dividing 3000 by 10, we get 300. Thus, Ekta earned rupees 300 in 1 day. Now, let us find the amount Ekta will earn in 30 days. 1 day equals to rupees 300. So, 30 days equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 300 multiplied by 30 upon 1. Now, multiplying 300 by 30 and keeping denominator 1 as it is, we get 9000 by 1. Now, dividing 9000 by 1, we get 9000. Thus, the amount earned by Ekta is rupees 9000. Now, sum number 3. If it has rained 276 millimeters in last 3 days, how many centimeters of rain will fall in 1 full week? That is 7 days. Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate. Students, in this question, we have to find how many centimeters of rain will fall in 7 days. And we have been given that rained 276 millimeters in last 3 days. So, in order to find out how many centimeters of rain rained in 7 days, first of all, we have to find out how much rain rained in 1 day. Then we have to find out for 7 days. So now let us solve sum number 3. Measure of rain in 3 days equals to 276 millimeters. So, measure of rain in 1 day equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 276 multiplied by 1 upon 3 equals to 276 by 3. Now, dividing 276 by 3, we get 92. Thus, 92 millimeter rain rained in 1 day. Now, let us find out for 7 days. 1 day equals to 92 millimeters. So, 7 days equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 92 multiplied by 7 upon 1. Now multiplying 92 by 7 and keeping denominator 1 as it is, we get 644 millimeters. Students, now let us convert 644 millimeters into centimeters, as we have to write the answer in centimeters. Thus, converting 644 millimeters into centimeters, we get 64.4 centimeters. Thus, 64.4 centimeters rained in 7 days. Now, sum number 6. Shaina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year? If the rent per month remains same. Students, in this question, we have to find out the rent paid by Shaina for a whole year, that is 12 months. Students, it is given to us that rent per month remains the same. We have been also given that Shaina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. So, in order to find out the amount of rent paid by Shaina for 12 months, first of all, we have to find out the amount of rent paid by Shaina for 1 month. Then after for 12 months. So now let us solve sum number 6. 3 months equals to rupees 15,000. So 1 month equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 15,000 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Multiplying 15,000 by 1 and keeping denominator 3 as it is, we get 15,000 by 3. Now, dividing 15,000 by 3, we get 5,000. Thus, rent paid by Shaina for 1 month is rupees 5,000. Now, let us find out the amount of rent paid by Shaina for 12 months. 1 month equals to rupees 5,000. So, 12 months equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 5,000 multiplied by 12 upon 1. Now, multiplying 5,000 by 12 and keeping denominator 1 as it is, we get 60,000 upon 1. Now, dividing 60,000 by 1, we get 60,000. Thus, rent paid by Shaina in 1 year is rupees 60,000. Students, we will solve sum number 4 and 5 afterward. Thank you and have a nice day.